What's poppin', y'all? It's your girl Team Stacy, and I'm back with another YouTube video. And if you're new to my channel, hello, and if you're a return subscriber, what's up?
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. We're gone for a year.
Today we're gonna be doing a glueless install, y'all. I use no glue, no spray, no none of that. The only thing that's tacked down is my edges, but I'll prove it to you guys. See that lace lifting? Yes, girl. But if you want to see how we threw this wig on and we styled this hair, definitely keep on watching. Alrighty, my loves, so don't mind the AC that's right above me. It be so loud in my videos, being so rude. All right, guys, so today's wig is from Nadula. They did go ahead and send this to me. This video is sponsored by them, so thank you so much to Nadula. I love you guys. I work with Nadula so freaking much because they're just bomb, and they're bomb.org, period. Not .com, no cursing, not .com, but .org, period. Okay, so this is what their packaging looks like, and their wigs do come fast. It doesn't take too long to come in, so I love Nadula. Oh my god, guys, they gave me a robe. Okay, they gave me a robe, so it's only right that I put the robe on. So you know what, give me 5 seconds. Okay, guys, so I have the robe on that Nadula sent to me, guys. It's so cute. It says Nadula right here, super duper cute. So I just feel so bougie right now, and I love that. This color is so pretty. It's like this champagne gold, which I love that. But let's see everything else that's in this box. So they did go ahead and send the bald cap, but this is not any bald cap. This is like the new one where it's like super sheer. You guys would, well, actually I have one on already. This is like not the new one, but this is the one that they have. I like to keep these wigs, like these bald caps. They're so fire. Did go ahead and send a dust bag, which is perfect to store your wigs in. So they sent more goodies. So they sent some lashes, a makeup brush, elastic band, and more of the gray bald caps, which is perfect. I love those bald caps. I actually already put this bald cap down, so I wish I didn't, because I would have used that one, but it's okay. We're still gonna slay this wig. Okay, they also sent another elastic band, which I'm so grateful for, because these are so good to tie your wigs down when you're sleeping, or say your wig just starts lifting. You know, you just throw this on, go to Walmart, you good to go. So let's go ahead and get into the wig. Ready, guys? So this is the wig that we are going to be putting on today. They did go ahead and send me a 24-inch body wave glueless, okay, glueless wig. So this is what the construction of the wig looks like. So it has its closure right in the front. This is one of the small closures, but I know that it's just going to be perfect and easy to, you know, just maintain. It does come with 1, 2, 3. Yeah, it comes with 3 combs on the inside. I like that the wig is breathable. So like you see like how it has like the construction of the tracks, so it is breathable. And then also it does have an adjustable elastic band, so you can make it tighter or looser depending on your preference. So did go ahead and put this bald cap on. Like I told you guys, it's nice and stuck on my head. I did go ahead and put my foundation on, so I'm gonna add the foundation to the wig, and yeah, we're just gonna jazz it up. This wig is gonna be so easy. It's not even an install video because it's literally glueless. We're not using spray, we're not using gel, we're not using nothing. We're literally just gonna throw her on and style her, period. Alrighty, guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and take my Ruby Kiss cream foundation, and this is in shade 09. Like I told you guys, I put it on my bald cap already, but now we're just putting that all over the wig. Okay, so this is what the closure looks like. I did go ahead and pluck it off camera, but it does come pre-plucked. So if you're someone that don't really know how to like customize your wigs, this is definitely a wig for you. So this is what it's looking like. It's so bomb, period. Okay, this is 24 inches, guys. It's giving thick. Okay, this is body wave. Yeah, so I just want to show you guys where this falls on me. I'm 5'7", yes, tall girl, things are going. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and take my She's Bomb wax stick, and I'm gonna go ahead and just put that all over the front of my hair. So this wig is literally fresh out the box. There's not much you really need to do to it because it's glueless. So after you throw it on your head, the only thing I could say, if you want to have like a really quick install, is just hot comb it. It just needs to fit to your head. So I'm just taking a hot comb. It's really hot, y'all. This hot comb gets to like 500 degrees. It's from the beauty supply store. But yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and just run that hot comb all the way through my hair, y'all. I take so long with this part because I just like every hair in place, okay? So I'm gonna show you guys a different angle. This is me in my vanity mirror. Yes, I was watching some music videos while I was doing my hair. But yes, like you guys see, I part the hair, then I hot comb it, then I part it again, then I hot comb the next section until we get all the way to the top. Alrighty guys, so I'm just showing you guys this wig. Like I said, no glue. There's no tricking going on here, okay? Because some people be lying on this YouTube, but I'll be telling y'all the truth, okay? So I did want to go ahead and try out this flat iron that was sent to me. The information on this flat iron will be down below. So let me give you guys a small story time. I always thought it would be so smart to flat iron your hair. Like, let's say your boyfriend's driving or something and you gotta, you know, do your hair, you in a rush. So the flat iron is literally like travel. Like, you don't need a cordless flat iron. So when this company hit me up to try out this flat iron, I thought it would be such a great thing because I thought I invented that. However, it didn't really warm up for me how it was supposed to, so I have to go in with my old Reliable. This is at 455 degrees. I am going to go ahead and try the cordless flat iron again in another video. I think maybe it wasn't charged. That was like fresh out the box, so maybe that's why it was a little weak, but it didn't get my hair bone straight like my I think my flat iron is like Remington. I think so. But yeah, my Remington, she does the job, okay? So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and just flatten her whole head, and this is what she's looking like. Y'all know Nadula is just gonna do it for you every time. This hair is so thick, it's so long. Like, this is a nice length for 24 inches. They did not short us out. So here, I'm just customizing it a little bit more. I'm just taking my Ruby Kiss foundation, and I'm just defining my part. Definitely don't skip this step. It's literally a couple steps you have to do. My part was a little slanted, but it's okay. We're gonna act like we don't see that. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take my shearing blade, and I'm just gonna go ahead and just frame my face a little bit. Not anything too extreme, but just lightly just running that in front of my hair so it can be nice and shaped out, because I wanted to bump the ends a little bit. So I'm gonna go back in with my flat iron, and we are just going to bump this inward. Alright guys, so next up, I'm going to go ahead and just do my edges. So with this install, I didn't want the edges to be too dramatic. I don't know, you guys probably thought this was dramatic. Some people think edges is too much, but I did take out a little bit of the edges, and I'm just going to go ahead and cut them at an angle. And then after I cut it at an angle, I usually flat iron it and bump it, but I really didn't need to with this install. I wanted it to be super easy, so I took my YTBGIFT glue, and I'm just working that on my edges, just like that, just slowly swooping them back. And yeah, this is how it came out. I think these edges were super cute, super light, super airy. I really did like it. So this is what we're looking like, guys. This wig is so bomb. If you guys are interested in purchasing this wig, it will be in the description box, period. Alrighty guys, so that is the end of today's video. In today's video, I did want to go ahead and throw on, not install, but I wanted to throw this wig on because it's that easy, and I wanted to go ahead and style it for you guys. So this is what the wig is looking like. It's so bomb, so freaking cute, so raw, and I absolutely love it. So if you are interested in purchasing this unit, all the information will be down below in my description box with promo codes, purchasing links, and all that good stuff. So yeah, I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.